So I'm gonna do it like this. Right, let's see. We want to align.
Hey, Sarah.
Hey, Sarah. And I'm using the other end. Don't worry about the extra on the edges right here because you can absolutely shape it, cut it later. I feel like it's crooked because in a different angle. It's really flexible, so I can able to. Okay.
Oh, Sarah, you're not missing it yet. She only like her third now. And she's gonna have like another 2 to go. And then precision. We have fun. We still have time.
Yeah, so don't worry about this. I'm gonna get it off, like just using your file and I'm gonna just sharpen it off a little bit. You can do it later, absolutely fine. Or you can do it now. It's either way, it works.
Oh, wow. Like, this thing's really shiny. Oh, yeah. I'll put this up there if you guys want to see it. But I don't think I can read any comment with that.
You can move it away. Okay.
No, down.
If you feel like it crooked, but if crooked, then probably on my side that I see it might be. But I'm not really worried about it. If you're doing for the clients, you're probably can seeing it better with angles. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the condensed glue gels again.
Oh, easy.
Everything is set up different now.
Okay. A little bit different. You get used to it.
Okay. And then I am going to okay, interesting right now. I'm gonna maybe play that right in the middle. Maybe I can't. I'll do the little frames on thumb.
Roll down just a tick.
Just a little bit. All right. So I'm gonna do all the nails. If you know exactly where the spots you want to place on, you can do like just that spot. But you know me, I always like...
So yeah, she just puff them up.
All right, so I am going to place... I really want to do a heart shape on this one. You get a heart shape for that? Number 7 or something. Somehow as my hand is all the way up there.
Well, just look for the logos. Try to stay with the logo.
Sorry, I couldn't. The heart shape.
You need the mini heart. The regular heart won't fit.
The mini heart. Oh, hold on. I missed totally. I need to do the top coat though. But if I lay it there, don't worry. Just get your tweezers and get it out. Hey, it's weird today. It's cool. It's just a lot of different setup for the... I try to go underneath of the camera. I keep go off. All right, hold on. Where I'm at? Right here.
There you go. You got it.
So now I put it back in. Oh my God, I feel this nail is just so... Just leave it there. Is it different? Maybe I should put her in here. I try not to do so much then it take away from our cute strips that we have it there.
Hey, live rice Fridays was fun. I guess I was supposed to be pampered all the way, but I guess I pampered Nancy a bit more. Yes, she did. The beach was nice now, but I don't think Florida people care about social distancing that much. It was so crowded. It was amazing. So we just driving to like the further away beach, so we don't have that many people around us.
Yeah, so if ladies can't wait to see any of you are coming to Tao, let me know. Definitely gonna take good care of you. Take you to the beach, feed you with all the different cool food over here. I think down here they don't like.
Yep, so if any of you lady ever stop by Pensacola, let us know.
Let me see what I'm playing with this. I feel nothing but it's going this nails. But it's okay, it's just fun.
Yep, Sarisa, it was super, super crowded.
Yeah, it's so packed, Sarisa. If you go down to the beach, just really like be careful because
Panama, I think it's like 2-3 hours.
Panama
Ish.
City.
Yeah, like 2-3 hours.
Panama City. I think it's about 2 hours away from us. So are you close there, Sarisa?
Oh, that's from Sonia.
Oh, Sonia.
There you go,
City.
money back. Her auntie live in Pensacola.
Oh, awesome.
Yep, Live Rat's gonna move here to be your PA, personal assistant.
Okay. Oh, I would love to. I don't know if your husband will let you.
And Live Rat's like, I just want food. Because Nancy don't cook.
But live us, you can teach me.
Well, she can teach you. Are you gonna do it?
Yeah, if I'm willing to learn. I will learn. Okay, so I don't know. I'll put the strips in there, but you'll only probably see on this end because I cover them all. I do every single step like this. It's not, I think, just as an idea and this preference. So if you like any of the steps, if you don't want too much crystal and charms, you can stop at the step that I did, which is like if you want just the strips only, then just stop right there. And you can just stop at like the strip right there and then top coat it.
Yep. Hey, Sarah, can you double check your pink coat up for me again? I think you got the wrong link on there. There you go. Yep, Lyra teach you how to cook and you teach her how to do nails.
Okay. No, I will do your nails. So why don't you cook for me and I'll do your nails?
See, so, yep. Lyra will pick you up at the airport. Nancy gonna hold aside. We'll do nails for food.
Why don't you just like cook for me and then I'll do your nails? We can change your nails every week or every day as your preference. I'll be here doing all your beautiful nails. Okay, so I am gonna put crystal in here. Before that, I'm gonna do like really quick flash cure for 30 seconds. And then we will put crystal on it. So for all of you who like to do a little bit simple nails, so if you don't want to put a lot like this, you put less. I'm just doing it to go further. Like say if you have a clients love the bling nails like this, which is I have a lot of clients also. Some of my clients they love all bling and they like don't have time for, you know, me to taking a picture, because sometimes me taking a little bit longer to take a picture. So if they rush to go, you don't get to see it. But some of the designs I do, I recreated some of the look from the clients as well. Okay, I'm gonna flash key it before that using just piece of papers and then wipe it.
You gonna put more stuff on it, or just that?
I'm gonna put the stuff on the frame, I guess.
Okay. How many? 30?
30 seconds. So before that, I'm gonna turn my fingers for a second. So make sure that I'm not getting like crooked. If I need to adjusting it, I can go ahead and adjust it. Okay, now flash key a quick 30 seconds because I'm gonna do other nails. So it looks like it's crooked, but it's not. Existed.
Yeah, I'll put this up.
As in, be grateful. It's gonna be awesome.
Put it down. What you do?
I need to do this so then people can read the comment. Alright.
It's bubbling out, but yeah, you can read anything on top of it. Alright, go.
Oh, Nuna, you was in Pensacola many years ago. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
It's and lots less crowded. You're right, because now we have like, I think in Florida it's not only like in Pensacola it's not only local people. I don't think they're out there, but more tourists. I think we have a lot of people from different states come. So under this one is really cute and simple. I'm going to using condensed glue gels again.
Oh, live rice. If you're gonna come here and cook for me, you're hired. Done. Just come in.
He will say that he can do whatever for you. He can do anything. He can try to learn how to do your beautiful nails if you let him. But he can do a lot of others. He can draw, he can do a lot of good, like it's technical stuff for you too if you need him. Okay, so now I'm going to using a no wipe top coat. All right, so I'm trying to adjust. I think sometimes I go a little bit higher. You can't see it. Oh, too high right there.
Oh wow, so Nuna brothers were in the Navy. Ooh, so was he a pilot too for Blue Angel? That was the base out here in Pensacola.
Blue Angel?
And what was a crooked nail or a broken nail? Everybody say crooked.
Which one?
They asked, what worse, a broken or a crooked nail?
The broken nails or the crooked nails? Hold on.
Everybody say crooked.
Rather to have crooked. Crooked nails, it was. Because you're going to break it anyway. Because you have to fix it, because otherwise it's going to drive me nuts if I see the crooked nails, to be honest. Because I couldn't sleep. I was like, because people don't really like, some people are like, oh, it's okay, it's fine. But I don't know. Okay. Maybe a longer one. This one I have a shorter.
So you don't do the, okay.